So on this holy day of the appearance of Nrsingadev, we can remember the pastime and also remember Bhakta Prahlad, because he is our Mahajan. Mahajano Yena Katasa Panta. Panta means the path. We should follow the path of the Mahajans. So Bhakta Prahlad is our Mahajan. He is our great exemplar, guru and teacher. He is our Shiksha Guru. So what is his teaching for us? What is he teaching us on this holy Avirbhav Tithi of Nrsingadev? What teaching can we glean and gather and collect from his life and example? So this is one teaching. Serve the Vaishnavas and pray for the mercy and hope against hope that somehow by this kripa will shine in our hearts and will fill our minds and hearts, and then Bhava Bhakti will descend like a ray, Prema Amshu, and fill our hearts with all beautiful sweet taste of devotion. Jiva Goswami is a Nitya Siddha, but Nitya Siddhas, they come in this world and they, just like Arjuna is a Nitya Siddha. But Arjuna is showing the example in the Bhagavad Gita. He's bewildered. He becomes attached to adharma and wanting to give up his dharma. So he's a Nitya Siddha, but he plays a particular role. So Jiva Goswami, of course, is Nitya Siddha, Parishad of Gauranga. But as is told in the Jaiva Dharma, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining that just to show the example, Gauranga Mahaprabhu, by his Hardabha, by his blessings, Jiva Goswami manifested. He didn't have to manifest. He was already a Bhava Bhakti. He was already Prema Bhakti. He's Vilas Manjari. He's from the inner circle of Ashtamanjaris in Radha's camp. Vilas Manjari or Jiva Goswami and Gaura Lila. He's a Nitya Parishad.